sign it, cause I am in love with a Rasta man.
Yeah guys, Spice there Mexico. I love up she man. It look good. Me like it. Me like it. Go on through Spice. Hey family, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Guys, Spice have a new man and she make the whole world new. Yeah guys, Spice have a new man and she not hide it. She make the whole world know. Spice take to social media Sunday and she just a dish it out and I love up and show up her man. So make we get in that video and see what she are going with. But before we do, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so, and remember to turn on your post notification bell and just like up the video and share it now please. So make we go in a Miss Spice business, brother, cause it juicy, it nice. Me see one post on her IG and it say happy birthday at Bod Media. Today belongs to you, baby. I'm glad we started this journey because you easily bring out the better version of me. She also thanked Bod for being a father figure to her two children. Even hinted what she was going to give Bod for his birthday. She wrote, "Thank you for being a great father figure to my kids and an awesome lover to me." Smiling face with heart-shaped eyes. Mia, oh, you know this weekend. Yes, sir. The welcome fitting for a king. I saw them welcome them in a fine style in a Mexico.
Hey!
Happy birthday, baby! We're in Mexico! You can come in all the way to the pool. Happy birthday, baby!
Las flores cantaron los ruiseñores. Soy marinero por mi querer, por mi querer, por mi querer. Ba ba bam ba, ba ba bam ba, ba ba.
And she am making a know say for this weekend it is all grace. Spice is off and she won't be back until Thursday, November 19. So Spice is living it up in Mexico with Bod. Yes, sir, she's having the time of her life. She said it's her first vacation and she's enjoying every moment of it. It was just pure fun, a good look between she and her colleagues. Spice pose. Who no have man before 2021, ah? But Shenseea, she running with me have my wings them ready and me don't feel no way, abe. And you know Jada Kingdom would not be left out of it. So she running with the lady post her man do. From I born I never have been seen this yet. No sir, me just a smile so. Wishing you all nothing but the best right through. And Spice responded, thanks me good old friend. And then Miss Chanel Muir, she just tweeted, God's richest blessing on you both. Love it. I Spice, come out right, Toti. And then Jada, she come back. Bombo. Watch. Made for each other over Yasadua. Happy birthday, Spice. Good up, man. And Spice say, Jada Kingdom, you're not done. Yes, sir. It was a festivity. Shenseea, she run out back with Ray. Come out. Me live this Spice post a man. Whoa, mix up. And Spice just I throw a shade, so Spice, she said, Shenseea, whoa, are you next? Who are you, man? Me want to know. Asking for the people. Ouch. Yes, sir. It is a good look. So me know say, you no want to know who are this man. Yeah, me know say you no want to know when come from or who him be. All are we curious, so me did have to go do a little dig up. So the thing say, well, his name is Justin Bod, and he owns his own media company. He is the executive producer and director of photography at J-Bod Media's Incorporation. His company specializes in creative directing, camera work, lighting, and audio. Bod is obviously very well known in production circles, and he has worked on an impressive portfolios of shows, which includes Shaq All-Star Comedy Jam, Kevin Hart Comedy Special, and a Facebook Watch series with Steve Harvey. Yeah, you man up there. His production house has also done extensive work for Viacom and has produced music videos for various industry players. So there you have it. Spice Natty, I don't know, Dibby, a good hard working man. Kudos to you, Spice. And we're here waiting for some more juicy story.